All right, what's happening, guys? The TBC Code Millionaire Society is open. We're over here, man. We're trading TBC. This thing is amazing, guys. This is what we've been waiting on. We've been over here with TBC now for 3 years, going on 4, and this thing is amazing, and it's getting better and better. We have residuals plugged in now with our Bitcoin bounty program. Guys, this thing is amazing, guys. So the society is up now. We're running. The majority of the people that's working with me right now have $1 million or better in TBC. So they're trading, and it's time to start trading, right? We're tired of looking at the coin, right? We're ready to move the crypto. I'm going to take you down and give you a brief, idea about how it's working with us so you'll understand. This is our training site, so it's pretty cool, guys. So right here, I want to show you. Start off with 125. Everybody must pay to play, right? You understand that. You must start trading TBC in order to start earning with this. So over here with us, you're going to pay $25 for your platform fee. You're going to get your own website and everything. Then you're going to pay $100, which is your qualifying trade. And all of this is done with what? Bitcoin, guys. We are crypto addicts over here, guys. We only want Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, such things of that matter. So I'm going to run through this real quick. I probably only go down 5 steps. I'm not going to take you through the whole 12 level trades, but understand this. It totals out to 1.6, guys, with you just bringing in 5 people. You notice it says work with the same 5. This thing is amazing. Everybody know 5 people with TBC that want to start trading, right? If you do, raise your hand, right? I know a lot of people that want to do it. So bring them over here and let's start trading. So let's move from the left to the right so I can get up out of here, get you guys educated on this and let you move on with your day. We have our trade levels right here, our trade amounts, right? Your first trade is going to include that $25 administrative fee, but it will not be in any of these because you've already paid it. 5 society members, the same 5. You notice that. Trade totals, this is how much you're going to make on your trade totals. Then this right here tells you exactly how much the upgrade is to go to the next level. You see level 2 is 200. It's also identified right there. Let me move myself out of the way here for you guys. Then over here it shows you what spillover you have. So that means you're going to come into the game making money, right? That's what we're here to do. You coming in making this crypto. So let's move to from the left to the right so you guys can get this. First thing you're going to do is going to send $125 to your sponsor through their back office. Like I say, everybody have their own website, back office, membership tracking, all of that, guys. Membership website up and running. So you're going to send $125 following the directions in your back office. Then you're going to bring in 5 people. There's over 3.6 or 7 million of us in TBC sitting on coins. So you can't tell me you can't find 5 people that want to trade coins. Send them a message. This isn't even nothing you have to post for. Send them a message saying, hey, come over here with us. We're trading TBC now peer-to-peer. Understand one thing. We do not need a bank. We do not need an exchange. We are within a private community trading peer-to-peer. We want to remain private, so we're staying off of exchanges and all of that stuff, guys. So check it out. You're going to pay $125. Bring in your 5 members. When you multiply that 5 members times the $100, that's going to give you 500 in Bitcoin. What you're going to do then is upgrade. Go click that upgrade button. Upgrade for $200 in the back office. That's going to leave you 300 of spendable Bitcoin. You're already in the game, and you know Bitcoin is going up. So this is going to help you to accumulate more Bitcoins before it hit that $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 mark. Now, you just upgraded for 200. Your 5 people are going to duplicate your efforts because duplication is the key to success. They're going to duplicate you coming in at the 200. That's going to give you 1,000 in Bitcoin. You're going to pinch 400 of that off, send it up for a total of $600 left over for you to spend. 400 from that 1,000 leaves you 6. Your team is going to duplicate you doing the same thing. They're going to follow you because this is a follow me thing. It's not a matrix. Not at all. We're trading, guys. Let's be clear. This is not a matrix or multi-level marketing. We're trading peer-to-peer, right? Building coin. So they're going to follow you in at the 400 times the 5 people. That's going to give you 2,000 in Bitcoin. It's looking pretty good, right? That's 2,000 in Bitcoin. Take 800 of that off, banking 12. 12 spendable, guys. You already over, you already over $2,000 right here, and you haven't really even done anything. Your members are going to duplicate you at that $800 mark. That's going to give you 4,000 in Bitcoin. When those 5 people duplicate you, upgrading to the 8. That's going to give you $4 grand. Pinch a little of it off, 1,600, send it up to your sponsor, upgrade into level 5 trading. Then you're going to have 2,400 left over. Not bad, right? When your team members duplicate your efforts at that particular point, 1,600 ahead times the 5 equals $8,000 in Bitcoin. You almost got a whole coin already, but let's finish it off and put a coin in your pocket. So now you're going to upgrade for 3,200, right? Your team members are pushing you because they got their 5 people. You have your 5. This is super simple, guys. And you're trading TBC for Bitcoin. So, right, bam, 3,200 going up to your next level 6. Then that's going to leave you 48, guys, out of that 8,000. 4,800 is spendable, 2,400 is spendable, 1,200 is spendable, 6, and of course the 3. That is super exciting. Let's do one more just to seal the deal so you guys know that this isn't a game. You're going to upgrade for that 3,200, right? Time to 5 people when they follow you, duplicating your efforts because they want to move their millions in TBC too, right? So they're going to give you 3,200 in Bitcoin. You're going to give them 3,200 in TBC. Let's be clear about something. We don't cash out. We continue to earn TBC so we can keep growing and they can keep on getting that 1 to 5% interest every day. Never cash out. Never use the phrase cash out. We always trade and accumulate more. 3,200 times those 5 people is $16,000 in Bitcoin going into your account. Pinch 6,400 of that off, leaving yourself 9,600 to spend, to do with what you will in Bitcoin. One more. I'm going to give you one more before I shut it down. Your team member's going to duplicate you at the 6,400. Time those 5 people. That's 32,000 in Bitcoin. Upgrade for 12,800 in Bitcoin, leaving yourself 19,002. And the only thing you're going to do is continue that progression for the remaining levels. Yes. That's going to fill up your Bitcoin account with large amounts of Bitcoin using what? TBC. You already have millions in TBC. Start using those millions to accumulate more Bitcoin, which is going up on the market. So you're trading your TBC dollar for dollar. No discounting is even allowed, nor is it needed. You're trading your TBC now for BTC. You're part of the Millionaire Society. You're using a platform that's been approved by the TBC admin for years running now. So we know we have a pretty good product. Let's scroll down and take a look at something else. This here gives you a total of $1.6 million. A lot of us have way more TBC than that. But look what you've just done with that free coin that you have over there called the Billion Coin. Super exciting, guys. Let's move down and take a look at the membership qualifications. You got to qualify when you come over here. We just can't let you come over here and you walk around all willy-nilly. We want you to qualify, show us that you want to be here, show us that you're really, willing to work with the community to further the mission of TBC, right? So we want you to get over here and understand, yeah, you must qualify to be over here and you must register. Let's take a look at it. Our membership qualifications are quite simple. You must have an active Kringle.cash account. That means that you must pay the $22 and you will be paying that every month. But that's no problem if you're using the Bitcoin bounty because you can use that money to pay your membership. You must have an active TBC009 wallet. You must have a wallet, guys, for the coin to go into and for coin to come out of. You must have at least $5,000 in TBC. That's a no-brainer. I don't even think there is nobody that only got 5,000 in TBC, except they must be brand new. Okay, so you must have at least 5,000 TBC inside your wallet. Must be willing to share the opportunity to trade with others. We have over 3 million people that would love to be moving their TBC, but no one knows how to do it. No one is telling them. Go back to them with this. Show them what we're doing. Invite them over. The only thing going to happen, they're going to make an executive decision to either join or not join. Either way, we good because we're moving our TBC, right? You must have a Bitcoin wallet. You must have somewhere for the Bitcoin to land. I suggest get a BitPay account if you're US because the BitPay account has a Visa debit card attached to it and you can drop your Bitcoin straight out of the wallet down into the card. Bam. Super simple. Now, membership registration. It's very important that you understand the reasoning behind what we're doing. You must have $125 in Bitcoin. Now, The 25 is going to cover the trading platform and registration fee. The 100 covers your qualifying trade. You're going to send 100 in Bitcoin to your sponsor. They're going to send you 100 in TBC. But that also means that now you're the one on the other end of that spectrum. Your members are sending you $100 in BTC. You're sending them TBC. Now you see the coin is moving, but you have to qualify and activate your first trade by sending your sponsor that $100 in Bitcoin and paying your $25, platform and registration fee. Super simple, guys. You can make a lot of money over here. If you have TBC and you would like to make that TBC turn into Bitcoin, if you would like to explode that thing with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, come over here to the TBC, right, Academy and learn. Come over here to the TBC Society, our Millionaire Society, and learn. We're teaching you how to do it. We're going to show you, right? Come over, join the society, and learn what it is we're doing. You're going to be proud. People are going to be proud of you because your life is going to change. You're going to be doing what you've always wanted to do with TBC without waiting on a bank, an exchange, and this and that. We don't have to do that. I've been making money with TBC a long time and never had to use a bank or exchange. So you want to do the same thing. Get over here and learn what it is we're doing. Let us show you. Pay that little 125. You're going to get that back double fold, triple fold, because everybody want to move the TBC. If somebody don't have 125, you tell them, okay, then when you get it, come back over here and get with us. But right now, I got to get back to work because I'm bringing my people in. That's what it's all about, guys. So right now, I want to thank you in advance from coming over here, man. I want to thank you for coming and checking it out, taking a really good look at what we're doing with our society, man. Our Millionaire Society is getting ready to slay this TBC thing. We thank the TBC administration for the new work that they've done on the website, the Bitcoin bounty program where we're getting residuals now. Much ups, much love to that. I also want to give a shout out to my man, Randy Wilson. You still Bitcoin Randy to me, bro. So, Randy, I want to give a shout out to you for all that you've done over the years and the things you're going to continue to do as we move forth on our mission to end poverty around the world. This is your man, Cashman Rich, the TBC visionary, coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. I want to welcome everybody. I want to welcome you in advance because I know you're not going to walk past this great opportunity to move that TBC. I want to welcome you to the TBC Code Millionaire Society. You have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care.